Hello, my name is Shannon Reber, and this is my internship experience. Um, my my internship was through the Somali American United Council of Arizona. Um, uh, this internship was found on a list that was sent by the Marriage and Family Studies internship advisors. Uh, they emailed me with a list after I had reached out to them and was having trouble finding an internship here in Arizona, but they sent a list and I was able to um, find the Somali American United Council on that one. Um, let's see, I called and made an appointment after I had um, put together my resume and other documents, and I had an interview with the CEO of the Somali American United Council of Arizona. Um, and he approved the internship, and that's how I came to be in the internship. My responsibilities in this internship were supporting the administrative assistant. um, Miriam was her name. I helped her prepare reports for the state. I also helped other volunteers teach English to the refugees. Um, I also helped with taking attendance for other classes. I planned and executed events. One event was where a school came and taught a small English lesson to the refugees, and that was a neat experience. Um, I planned it by doing the brochure or flyer, and I also set up the tables and made sure they had a place to put the donations. And I also sorted through the donations. Um, I Another responsibility was collaborating with volunteers and members of the council, as well as members of the community, and that was also through this event that I did. Um, Another responsibility was that I share ideas with the other members and with community members and with the refugees themselves. I also helped uh, refugees with paperwork. When they came in new, we would open a file, and that's what I helped with as well. I also helped with filing and organizing donations, and I also organized other areas in the center. Um, how the Somali American United Council of Arizona benefited from my internship. As an organization, I helped um, immensely with the assistant administrator. She was needing a lot of assistance, and she's going to school herself, and so I filled in for her. Um, I also filled in for days she wasn't there, so usually Fridays I would be there to answer phones and help new refugees coming in or students of another class. Um, I also helped her organize her files, and I helped the organization or the Somali American United Council by helping them plan events. And I brought my own um, organization skills and other skills to um, help with other areas like organizing the office space. Um, I also benefited the volunteers, or the volunteers benefited from me. Uh, I filled in for volunteers who couldn't attend. Like some of the teachers couldn't be there, so I taught some of the English classes. I was willing to do service and go pick up other refugees when someone else couldn't. I took um, donations to a refugee. I was just willing to serve. Um, I also helped refugees through building friendships with them and providing trusting relationships and a place where they wouldn't be judged or could feel safe and be able to um, learn English and learn citizenship and other things. Personal benefits from this experience. I gained a lot of confidence with dealing with people. Um, I learned that I work really well with others and that leadership is a new thing for me. I didn't think I had leadership, but it was pointed out to me that I am a leader, and a leader is someone who is an example. I took charge of organizing, and they saw that as leadership. Um, I also learned a lot about collaboration, a lot about being bold and opening up and sharing ideas with others and building partnerships with others as well as other communities um, and agencies that might provide resources. Um, I found out about a lot of the policies regarding refugees and incoming refugees. I um, found out a lot about the struggles that refugees go through and their needs. Um, I benefited so much from the friendships that I built here, and I will continue to build because I have decided to stay on and as a volunteer and hopefully do learn more. Um, so that's what my purpose is after my degree is staying on with them and hopefully helping them become more successful. Um, One important connection between coursework and what I experienced during my internship. I learned through my child development classes and through my family practicum class that having safe learning environments and having trusting relationships improves um, one's readiness to learn. Um, I did some research for my family practicum where if a child is in a hostile environment, they're not going to be able to learn. They're going to be thinking about fighting or running away. And I think this goes for adults as well. Um, if they are comfortable, know if they know that you are there for them and wanting them to succeed, they're gonna learn faster. Um, so I thought that was really important. Of course, there's other connections that I made and that are important as well. It goes along with um, stress because um, refugees have a lot of stress that they have to deal with bringing their families over to a new country and the new things that they have to do to integrate themselves into the society here. Um, would I recommend this site experience to other students? Yes. The Somali American United Council of Arizona is a site that is a great internship and is worthwhile for anyone who would like to learn more about refugees and learn how to help and support families. Um, this will this internship experience will bring growth to anyone working with and for individuals and families. To arrange an internship at this site, you just have to call the office phone number. It's listed there, 602-522-2100. Usually Miriam, I'm not going to pronounce her last name. It's actually two names put together. And then there's her Gmail account. But it's a great experience. You'll find out about how to recruit other volunteers as well to come and join with you and experience working with others and working to improve others' lives. I'm grateful for the experience that I had. And I hope you will be able to come and enjoy and learn at the uh, Somali American United Council of Arizona. Thank you.